Africa, with its diverse economies and burgeoning markets, presents a wealth of opportunities for individuals looking to build their fortunes. While the continent has its unique set of challenges, it also offers vast potential for wealth creation through various avenues. Here's how individuals can harness Africa's growth for personal wealth accumulation. 1. Leverage the agricultural sector. Agriculture is the backbone of many African economies. With abundant arable land, individuals can create wealth by engaging in commercial farming, focusing on high-demand crops both for local consumption and for export. Investing in modern farming techniques and technology can increase yield and efficiency, and participating in the entire value chain, from production to processing and distribution, can multiply revenue streams. Furthermore, engaging in agribusiness by providing related services, such as equipment leasing, agricultural consultancy, and logistics, can also be lucrative. 2. Tap into the tech revolution. Africa's tech scene, dubbed Silicon Savannah, in some regions, is booming. Individuals can invest in tech startups, or start their own, focusing on solving local problems. Opportunities abound in fintech, agritech, health tech, and edutech. By offering mobile solutions that cater to the continent's growing smartphone penetration, entrepreneurs can tap into a market eager for innovation. Moreover, providing digital literacy training and tech support services can create a supportive ecosystem for the tech industry to thrive. 3. Explore the renewable energy sector. With a high percentage of Africans lacking access to reliable electricity, the renewable energy sector holds significant promise. Investing in solar, wind, or hydropower projects can provide long-term returns while contributing to the continent's sustainable development. Entrepreneurs can also focus on retailing solar-powered appliances and systems to households and businesses, which can be a stepping stone to larger energy projects. 4. Engage in real estate development. Urbanization is on the rise across Africa, creating a demand for residential and commercial properties. Individuals can create wealth by developing real estate in growing urban areas, whether through the construction of new buildings or the renovation of existing ones. The key to success in real estate is location, quality construction, and effective property management. There's also a growing market for affordable housing solutions that can be capitalized on. 5. Participate in the services sector. The services sector is expanding rapidly, with opportunities in education, healthcare, finance, and tourism. Starting a private school or a vocational training center can meet the educational needs of a growing population. In healthcare, opening a clinic or a pharmacy can be profitable given the demand for quality medical services. The financial services sector also offers opportunities, from starting microfinance institutions to offering insurance products. In tourism, creating travel agencies or hospitality services that showcase Africa's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty can be a significant source of income. 6. Maximize trade opportunities. With the operationalism of the African Continental Free Trade Area (AfCFTA), intra-African trade is expected to increase. Individuals can create wealth by tapping into this market, exporting locally manufactured goods or commodities. Identifying and exploiting niches within the trade sector, such as logistics, customs brokerage, or cross-border e-commerce, can be particularly profitable. 7. Cultivate the entertainment and media industry. Africa's entertainment and media industry is vibrant and ripe for investment. Producing local content for television, online platforms, and the film industry can yield high returns, especially if the content resonates with the cultural context of the audience. The music industry, too, is a promising field, with African artists gaining international acclaim. 8. Innovate in manufacturing. Despite being resource-rich, Africa imports a vast array of goods that could be manufactured locally. Engaging in the manufacturing sector by creating products tailored to the African market can be a game-changer. From simple household items to more complex machinery, the key is to offer better quality at competitive prices. Creating wealth in Africa requires a combination of entrepreneurial spirit, an understanding of the local context, and a commitment to sustainable practices. It's about seeing the opportunities that lie in the continent's challenges and being innovative in approach. With a strategic investment in these key sectors, individuals can build substantial wealth while contributing to Africa's growth story.